Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the king frog in Fish It Roblox. So the king frog is one of the most iconic and epic catches in the game. So in here, I'm going to show you the right spot, the right bait, and also the exact location you can catch this one. So if you want to complete the Frog Commander quest, which includes to catch a king frog in the Fisherman Island, here I'm going to show you the location you can easily catch this epic frog. So for the location, you can follow my guide in here. So I caught a lot of king frog in this exact location. And as for the bait, I'm using the singularity bait with element road. So you can try your luck to get the frog in here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.